Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. On this channel, I love a good bag comparison. And today I would love to present you an ultimate battle between these two beauties, made by Bottega Veneta. Bottega Veneta, the pouch, also known as a large pouch, and Bottega Veneta, the pouch 20, also known as a mini pouch. I've already done a very detailed in-depth review and unboxing of the mini pouch. I'm going to leave a link below in the description bar if you want to check this out. It also includes a mod shot, what fits, how I wear this bag, and close-ups. Today I'm going to focus more on similarities and differences between those two bags. I'm also going to show you the comparison of the mod shots and close-ups. And I'm going to start with a story how these bags were created. Creative director Daniel Lee joined the Bottega Veneta fashion house in July 2018, and the original, the large pouch, that was one of his first creation for the fashion house, and instantly it became a massive hit and very popular bag. Rumor has it that he was inspired by the original Bottega Veneta style called Lauren bag, and it was named after Lauren Hatton in the movie American Gigolo. After the success of the original large pouch, the mini pouch was introduced on the wave of popularity of the mini bags and to repeat the success of the original pouch. Both styles has been released in 5 different materials. Buttercuff leather, as you can see on those two bags. Intrecciato leather, it's a traditional signature Bottega Veneta leather weaves. Python, sponge, and the metallic. The most popular ones and the most common ones are Intrecciato leather and those two, Buttercuff. And I'm going to start my comparison with the leather, and it's the first similarity between those two bags. The bags are made in the exact same Buttercuff leather. It's a beautiful, soft, delicate, very tactile leather. When you hold the bag, oh my god guys, it's so smooth, it's so nice. You can feel this quality straight away. And this is what Bottega Veneta as a fashion house is very well known for, the quality. It feels very luxurious. Yes, both bags are pretty expensive, but when you feel this leather, when you see the quality of this leather and the craftsmanship, you do understand what you're paying for. It's a leather exterior and interior for both bags. Both bags has a style of pouch. It's some sort of like a misshaped, very unstructured clutch pouch type of thing. Both of them. And if we look in the small one, you can see the same. The beautiful buttercuff leather inside and out as well. And the pouch shape with a little gathering on the side. The gathering are repeated in both styles, the smaller and the bigger one. The next similarity we're going to talk about is magnetic closure. A beautiful, wide, very convenient magnetic closure for the small one and for the big one as well. Because of this very wide opening and very easy going magnetic closure, it's super convenient to open and close the bags when you're on the go. You don't need to struggle to open that or just, close it and clasp it to find the way, where's the little lock there or a clasp or anything like that. I find it super convenient when I'm on the go and I'm trying to pull keys or a credit card or a phone out of my small version of pouch. I can do this with one hand because I don't need to use another hand to open the clasp or lock something or open anything. Super convenient. Inside the small pouch, the mini pouch doesn't have any pockets or a car slot holders or any compartments. This is just one big haul, as I already said, with a leather interior. And the same for the large pouch. Despite the fact that it's a much bigger, it also doesn't have no pockets or compartments or card holders or zips. The only difference here that the bigger pouch has a little hook there up on that side where you can just attach your keys or a little pouch or anything like that. And now it's time to talk about the differences between two bags. And the first difference, and I would say for me it's a deal breaker here, it's a strap. The large pouch doesn't have any top handle or any strap. Potentially you can add some sort of strap here. I don't know how it's going to work, but I can see, and I will show you in a close-ups that as well, that here where the magnetic closure and the open is going wide open, you have a tiny little holes there where you can potentially add a little strap. For example, strap from the mini pouch. I haven't tried it, I don't know how it works, but the potential is there. Technically, you can do that. With the mini pouch, the strap, removable and adjustable strap, has already been added to the bag, and it's beautiful loops on diagonally from each other on each side of the bag. And the beauty of this strap here is that you're not limited in adjusting the strap with adjustable holes or a buckle or anything like that. This structure, then you can just tie a knot and get that wherever you want it. That's why you can create a different styles at different lengths of the strap, and that's what made this beautiful, the mini pouch, so versatile, and that's what made it, for me personally, one of my favorite bags. Unfortunately, I haven't used it as much as I planned last year, but this year I promised to myself that I'm going to use that a lot. And I love this bag and this style so much that I'm even thinking about purchasing the same style but in a different color in interchatta leather. The second difference I'm going to talk about here is the capacity. And in the first sight, it's a kind of like, oh yeah, that's a big difference, and it's quite obvious. However, it's not as different. The capacity is not that different as you can imagine. Despite the fact that the difference in the size of the bag is so massive, the capacity is not that different. And it all comes to the fact that the large pouch doesn't have any strap or any top handle, and therefore, despite the fact that you actually can put a whole bottle of water of 700 milliliters there, I'm going to show you that just now. Here we go, that massive bottle of 750 milliliters, easily go there, easily, not problem at all. However, it's really hard to carry this bag when it's full on, when you can use the all capacity. First of all, because of the weight is massive, and you don't have those strong top handles to carry that. You don't have any crossbody strap here to wear it. And secondly, because of the bag starting bulking down here, which kind of like spoil the aesthetics of the bag, someone would say. And despite the fact that I like how misshaped and deformed this bag originally as the pouch form, however, I don't like when it's bulking down so much, and therefore I would carry the massive bottle of water or anything heavier in this bag anyway. Again, because of this form of the bag, because of a lack of handles or the strap, I usually carry the same stuff in the large pouch that I carry in my mini pouch. What it is, you can check in my full video review in the section what fits, in the detailed review of the mini pouch, and it's usually just a phone, large size, plus size, iPhone, It's lipstick, mask, keys, AirPods, and card holder, the flat one. Unfortunately, due to the size of this bag, it's difficult to put the large purse in there, so I usually go with a flat card holder. And it will be same combo for this bag, again for the reasons which I already explained. Before going forward to the close-ups of both bags, I would love to mention one more difference, and it's a kind of like a very important difference for me. It's a functionality of both bags. Due to the fact that this bag is very convenient and very functional for me, I would call that my everyday bag. Even now, when I'm wearing a bulkier outfits, a puffy jackets, fur jackets, because of my smaller frame and the small height, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. Therefore, this bag looks okay on me even if I wear the bulkier outfits. I would call Bottega Veneta the mini pouch my everyday bag. It has removable adjustable strap. It's very convenient when you're wearing it crossbody. As I said, it's a really easy accessible, and as a black color, it basically goes with anything. And by the winter autumn time, we tend to wear more like darker outfits. It's a win-win here. And it's a bit different with the large pouch. Due to the fact that it doesn't have, again, I'm going to repeat that, it doesn't have a top handle or a strap, and a capacity that is very limited. I would call it a rather going out, seeing your friend bag. You wouldn't carry this bag when you go out with your dog. You wouldn't carry this bag when you go for a walk with your children. You wouldn't carry this bag when you go grab some groceries. It's not convenient. It's not very functional or a practical bag. It's perfect companion to go out to see your friends, to go to the theater, some events or gigs or anything like that. If I own this bag, that would be sitting on my shelf in the closet at the moment, and I wouldn't have any chances to use this bag. And this is how I explain the functionality of those bags are so different. Now we're moving to the close-up so I can show you those bags closely, and you can see those differences and similarities what I've already mentioned closer. I wanted to show you some close-ups of both bags, and we will start with Bottega Veneta, the large pouch. I want to show you the gatherings, leather gatherings on the side. On the top, a beautiful luxurious buttercuff smooth leather. It's very tactile, very delicate and soft. It's beautiful just to touch that. Magnetic closure, a wide open. Gold hardware on the side. Inside the bag, it's a leather interior. The bag is very low-key. It doesn't have any branding at all apart from Bottega Veneta made in Italy embossing inside the bag. There is no compartments or pockets or card slots. The only thing that we have inside the large pouch, it's this little hook, and you can attach your cosmetic pouch, a key pouch, or just a keys on it. That's it. Very simple, but at the same time very elegant and stylish. Do you see the difference in size? This looks tiny compared to the previous, the original, the pouch. This is the mini pouch, the pouch 20. As I said before, it's called that way because of the 22 centimeters length here. It also has a leather gatherings on the top, on the side, to create this beautiful pouch style and design. It also has a magnetic closure, a wide open. Inside the bag, it's the same leather interior, and again, that's a very low key. We won't find any in-your-face branding on this small version too. Again, with exception of the Bottega Veneta made in Italy embossing inside the bag over here. No pockets, no compartments, no dividers, no card slots. Again, a one big hole inside there. And unlike the big pouch, the small pouch doesn't have any key hooks. Nothing inside there, as you can see. Gold hardware on the side the same. And the one big difference, it's an adjustable and removable strap. As I mentioned before, it doesn't have any adjustable holes or any adjustable limitations there. So you just tie the knot and you fix the length of your strap to your liking. It's time for remote shots. I want to show you how I wear the both bags. Just to remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. We will start with a similar ways of wearing both bags, and that's around your hip area, holding it back in your hands, and also in the different positions under your armpit. And here, unfortunately, again, I'm going to repeat that again, due to the length of the top handle and the strap for a larger pouch, that's the only ways you can wear this bag. It's not the most versatile bag. The adjustable and removable strap for a mini pouch added a lot to versatility of this bag. You can wear that crossbody, my absolute favorite way, in the shoulder bag on your left or a right shoulder, and also on the crook of your arm or in your hands. And here you can adjust the strap. Because we don't have any adjustable buckles or the holes, you can adjust that to any length you want, or you can also wrap the strap around your hand. I've also heard that you can wear the mini pouch as a belt bag. Unfortunately, I haven't tried it myself. I haven't played around as much, but if you've seen it or you know how to do this, please point it out. And that's me for today, guys. Just to conclude, I would love to highlight that the Bottega Veneta, the mini pouch, is a perfect bag for me. I absolutely love the pouch style, the mini size, the functionality of this bag, the adjustable and removable strap. I use this bag a lot, and the black color just goes pretty much with everything. I would say I would add another Intro version of this bag to my collection, probably in the different color, not black. On the contrary, with the large Bottega Veneta pouch, it's a different situation here. Due to the fact that it doesn't have any strap or the top handle, the functionality of this bag is very limited, and I see this bag as a going out bag. And because I don't have as much of that in my life at the moment, therefore I would say this bag is quite no for me. What do you think about both bags? Which one do you prefer? Leave your comments below. I'd love to read your opinion. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!